Welcome to Kids Entertainment and Drawing.
Hello kids, today we learn how to learn capital letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's coloring. Red color. A for alligator and A for airplane. I color. Next color is yellow. Capital letter B, B for broccoli and B for butterfly. Next letter is C. I color blue color. C for cherry and C for cow. Next letter is D. This is a brown color. D for dolphin and D for donut. Light pink color. Capital letter E, E for elephant and E for eagle. Next letter is F. Purple color. F for fish and F for flower. Next letter is G. This is a orange color. G for grapes and G for ghost. Next letter is H. This color is green. H for hand and H for house. Wow, wonderful! Color is finished. Now let's repeat again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.